Hey everybody, these mannequin characters are the standard bearers for human-style animation in Unreal Engine. They come with control rigs, and the core skeletons in these characters are not only the basis for the inner skeletons of Metahumans, but also countless characters on the Fab marketplace. And so having these in your project and being able to retarget animations to them from motion capture and other sources is an important skill to have, because any animation or mocap that you can put on one of these mannequins, you can pretty much transfer to almost any other character, including Metahumans, in Unreal Engine. There are a couple different ways of getting the mannequins into your project. I'll cover both and share a little bit of the pluses and minuses behind both approaches. Now, what I did for these mannequins is I used the Fab plugin that comes with Unreal Engine 5.7. So here in the content browser, there's a Fab button. It's also in your content drawer. And if you click that Fab button, you get your Fab window, and you can find the mannequins by first searching for Mannequin. So Mannequin, there we are. And then make sure that you filter by publisher, look for Epic, and of course you'll select Epic Games. And so here you'll find that there is a starter pack, and there's mannequin assets. There's a few different assets that you can find here. What I have in my project right now is the mannequin asset right here. So if you don't have that in your library, you may have an add to library button here. Once you've done that, you can use add project from the Fab plugin, and that will add the mannequins to your plugin. This is really efficient because it adds exactly what you need to use the mannequins. The content shows up in a control rig folder under content, and in control rig you'll have characters, then mannequins, and then here you get a few animations for both Manny and Quinn, and then you also get the meshes. So there is a Manny and a Manny simple, a Quinn and a Quinn simple, and also importantly you do get a number of rigs. There's control rigs as well as the IK and retargeting rigs that you would use for retargeting animation, either to mannequins from other characters or from mannequins onto other characters. Now, the one drawback of using the Fab plugin is that you do need to be connected to the internet for that, and not everyone is always connected to the internet all the time. The nice thing is that the mannequins are pre-installed as part of Unreal Engine's installation package, and so you don't need to be online to add them in. So the built-in approach for adding them is to use the plus add button here in the content browser. There's also one here in the content drawer, of course, and choose Add Feature or Content Pack. Here you can select the third person template and add that to your project. This will be a little bit different than the Fab package. Once that's finished, you'll have a few extra folders that you don't necessarily need. There's this third person folder, level prototyping, and input. So you'll probably want to delete those, and that's one of the drawbacks of this package. The other thing is if we dig into the folder that gets installed here, so it's the characters that the mannequins are in, then inside mannequins we have the same familiar set of folders, but one thing to note is in meshes, for example, we only have the simple mannequins. We don't have the more advanced versions of those, and under rigs we don't actually have the retargeting rigs, though we can create those very easily. And actually, just to finish those, what I'll do is show that we can go into meshes, and I could right click on Manny Simple and choose Create IK Rig. The IK rig is in here now. Double click. And then here in the Create IK rig, I can say auto create the retarget chains and then auto create IK. Hit save, and now we have the IK rig that can be used either as a source or a target for the retargeting process. And so those are the two main ways that you can add mannequins to your projects. I expect to have quite a few more tutorials in the coming weeks and months on motion capture retargeting, working with Metahumans, and a lot of those tutorials will make use of the mannequins. So I figured I'd start out with sharing this video to make sure there's a reference for how to add mannequins to your project. So I hope this helps. Until next time, have fun.